So in this lecture, let's explore about the embedded target that is being used for this course. So in this course, the STM32F407 microcontroller based discovery board is used as the target. Now let's explore some of the important features of this board. So the heart of this board is actually the microcontroller, which is produced by ST Microelectronics. So the exact part number of the microcontroller is this one, STM32F407VGT6. So it's a 32-bit microcontroller and it is based on the processor ARM Cortex-M4 with floating point unit. So this is a microcontroller. And after that, to connect various external components such as LEDs, buttons, LCDs, keypads, and various other things. So a rich set of I/O pins are available on the board. So these are actually the I/O pins, or what we call as external interfacing headers, I/O headers. So there are lots of I/O pins are available for your external components interfacing. And this board also has 8 megahertz of crystal oscillator in order to supply clock to the microcontroller. Apart from that, another important feature of this board is its onboard programmer and debugger. So this is one of the important feature of this board. So if you want to program and debug the code on this hardware, you need not to buy any external programmer and debugger. So the board comes with its own programmer and debugger, what we call as ST-Link V2A. So by using this onboard programmer and debugger, we are going to program and debug our code. So when you install the IDE, that is STM32Cube IDE, the driver for this programmer and debugger will be installed automatically on your machine. Otherwise, ST also gives the separate device drivers for this ST-Link hardware. So you can also download from the ST's website and you can install it. So how do you connect this board to the PC? Very simple. You just need one mini USB cable, which is as shown in this figure. So this cable doesn't come with the board. So remember that you have to procure it, and then you can just use this mini USB connector of the board to connect to the PC. So now this board also has a micro USB connector here. So don't use that. So we don't use this in our course. So that's the only connection you have to do in order to start using this board. So that's about the target, and I'll see you in the next lecture.